actiondan, the greatest hero of them all.
Hi there guys, in this quick video you'll get to see me and my friends continuing down Australia's beautiful Murray River in the start of summer 2019.
Smile guys. You guys ready for the kayaking trip? Yeah! I can hear you!
Yeah! The rhythm's not there.
Hey Sam. Pretty. One of the most beautiful views I've ever seen on the Murray River.
Half the people that join us in our kayaking camping trips are always new social club members, inexperienced at the whole thing. But this time we had a very special new member.
And a pixie!
Hey, she forgot you.
So what do you want, Pixie? You want Nutrigrain or Weet-Bix? Sam's got the best job out of them all. And Pixie's going to dry them. Oh, as you can see, it's all blank now. The kids packed up nice and quickly. Time to head off for another big day. Alright, day 2 kayaking on Young and Free. Okay, let's go. Another day. Look at all the birds, it's beautiful.
Better properly stand here.
This weekend we had decided to travel between the two towns of Swan Reach and Walker Flat. But this time we decided to paddle upstream. After 7 years of kayaking on the River Murray in South Australia, we now realise that the direction the wind was travelling had more effect than the direction the river was flowing itself.
You can hear the little babies in the background.
Woo! There goes our expert. Paddling backwards is like a breeze.
Mother and son powering to the finish line. Country Christmas, Action Heroes, Santa Claus.
Sadly, before we even knew it, another weekend had come to its end. Those of us that were experienced at the kayaking had found the whole thing quite effortless, but the newbies definitely struggled, and they were dying to get home. The pub won't do meals, now I've got to convince the kids to give me 5 minutes for Daddy to have a drink at the end of the long weekend.
Cheers!
Synchronized sleeping!
Esther's got 2 necks.
Well, that's it for another kayaking weekend. I hope you guys had fun. And any new faces who clicked on this link from our upcoming activity page on Meetup, be sure to RSVP now, and we'll see you at the next one.